In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how to buy unclaimed Amazon packages or pallets, and what you need to know before diving into this intriguing but often unpredictable world. These packages, which can sometimes be found listed as unclaimed or undelivered Amazon pallets, often capture the imagination of bargain hunters. But before you consider purchasing, let's unravel what these packages really are, understand the potential risks, and dive into some tips that will help you navigate this process safely and smartly. First, let's explore what the term unclaimed Amazon packages actually means. Essentially, these items are those that were ordered from Amazon, but, for various reasons, never made it to their intended destination. Perhaps the address was wrong, or maybe the recipient simply didn't pick them up. Additionally, customer returns, overstock items, and undeliverable freight also fall into this category. These packages are often sold in bulk, either as pallets or lots, and sometimes even as mystery boxes. Now, the idea of a mystery box is certainly intriguing. You don't know exactly what's inside, which can be either exciting or disappointing, depending on how things unfold. That brings us to the risks and some warning signs to be wary of. Unfortunately, the world of unclaimed packages isn't all treasure chests and hidden gems. On platforms like Facebook and other social media sites, you might come across enticing ads proclaiming deals like 80% off unclaimed Amazon pallets. Be cautious, as many of these offers are scams. Moreover, the items you receive might not exactly be in pristine condition. There's a chance they could be damaged, used, opened, or just plain worthless junk. Adding to the risk, warranties and refunds usually don't apply. Watch out for websites that pose as legitimate Amazon-affiliated sites. These often have poor domain names and fake contact information, aiming to deceive you. Now, let's move to the steps you can take to safely purchase unclaimed packages. If you're keen to give this a shot, start with smaller lots or lower-cost mystery boxes. This way, if you do end up with items that are less than desirable, your financial loss will be minimal. Moreover, many reputable liquidation sites offer photos or manifests that reveal potential contents or at least give some hints about what's inside, which can significantly reduce the level of uncertainty. Lastly, always check seller reviews and verify the legitimacy of the seller, especially when buying online. Look for honest, balanced reviews. If you notice that feedback is sparse or overwhelmingly positive, with too good to be true claims, it's probably best to move on. In summary, buying unclaimed Amazon packages can be a fun and adventurous endeavor, provided you tread carefully. Remember to stay informed, proceed with caution, and you just might find yourself with a hidden treasure in your hands. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to navigate the world of online shopping.